On today's adventure, we are going to the Tataki waterfall, and it's an hour drive. So on our way there, we saw this beautiful water. I'm like, oh my god, it looks really beautiful, like the scenery and everything. I just had to stop for a minute and take a quick video. Like, look at the water, look how clear it is. Now we're making our way up to the waterfall, and guys, tell me if this don't remind you of Jamaica. If I have any Jamaicans watching this video, please drop a comment down below and let me know which part of Jamaica this remind you of, because this reminds me so much of when I'm going up into the countryside and I'm going through the bushes. Yeah, it reminds me of some part up in the country. But this is me coming up to the guard gate. You have to pay for parking. It is not free. It's only $3. It's not free at all. But once you get on the property, you have to rent a life vest, and that comes with a helmet. You also have to rent a water boot, which is 600 yen, which is not bad. I must say it is not mandatory for you to get whatever they offer on the property, which is the water boot and the life vest, which comes with the helmet as a pair. But I will highly recommend that you get it if you don't have on a comfortable shoes, which is good for hiking, because you will be hiking 15 to 20 minutes. Some say it's longer than that, up to 30, but it didn't feel like that for me, but it differs per person, I guess. It is pretty cheap to get it, so I will get it. And also, some parts in the water is very deep, so if you're not a good swimmer, I highly recommend you get the helmet and the life vest.
You gotta wait here, Kiana.
Are you guys ready to hike up a waterfall with me? Let's go. Follow me. That address is yours. This was on the way up to the waterfall. I was taking a video of every and anything I see, because I'm like, I just want to capture the moment. I want to show you guys what I see on my way up. I even see an abandoned car. You're gonna see it in a minute. I don't know, it was just fascinating. I don't know what that is over there, so I can't really tell you what it is because I don't know. But I was like, let me take a video of this so I can show my vlog. But those are my friends. Look at the car, guys. That's the car I was talking about. There was a house over there in the cut. I can't even really see the house, but there was a house.
What was that? Don't worry about it.
So this is where the hike officially begin. I mean, I carry on along with me upon this journey. So if I fall, I mean, I will not drop. But let's just enjoy the rest of the video and let me know what you think down in the comment down below. These two people right here, stubborn, because they don't even know where they're going, but they didn't want to listen. So you see, when me turn off, I'ma say, I'm going in this direction. Then they start following me. You see them look on the phone and the map them look for that. They cannot read them up, you know. They cannot read them up. So when I decide to go this way and they come this way, then realize they're the right way. I should have made them get lost. And I go hiking by myself. But eventually we figured it out. And then, yeah, we were on our way up to the waterfall. If you remember in the start of the video, I said I highly recommend you renting the shoes that they have or wear comfortable hiking shoes, this is why. This I said that because you see how much rocks and it gets worse. You don't get better. So make sure you have on non-slip shoes. I wore Crocs and it was okay, but I wish I had better shoes. So this is a recommendation and food for thought. Get comfortable shoes because you want to be comfortable going up and also coming back down because it's the same journey. I don't know about nobody else, but I'm a nature girly, and this right here was my type of fun. Like I had so much fun just by hiking and just being in nature. Like this was so relaxing. This was the perfect day for me. Like it was great.
Oh, this is nice. Hey. All right, let's go. Go for it. Swim over there. I'm gonna bring it closer and then throw you the bag. We go. Swim over there. Swim over.